another unboxing video. In this video, I will be unboxing the Sanyo Xacti VPC-FH1A. So this is the box. Okay, and this is the features of the camcorder: 8 megapixel photos, HD videos, 16x advanced zoom, high-speed sequential shot, phase chaser, image stabilizer, 3-inch LCD monitor, and HDMI output. This is what comes in the box: CD software, USB cable, component cable, SAV cable, USB adapter, lithium battery, AC adapter, RC unit, lens cap, and grip belt. Let's look inside. Whoa. Manual. Quick guide. Software CD. What's this? No idea. They all comes in pair. I don't know what this is too. Okay, this is the I guess USB adapter. Charger cable. Audio video output. Charger adapter. This is the USB cable. There's two of them. Oh, this is the USB cable and this is the USB adapter. Battery. Oh, remote control. Lens cap. A lot of stuff. This is S-video output with audio, and this is the battery over here. This is the camera itself, the camcorder, not camera, the camcorder itself. Small. This is the top, front, side, back, 3-inch LCD monitor, the button, this is the bottom, side back, full HD. Okay, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in another videos. Bye bye.